Hello friends, this is Dhruvi here. If you are seeing my video for the first time, then welcome to my channel. Okay guys, so today's video is something really interesting. I recently colored my hair and if you guys following me since a long time, then you must be knowing that I don't experiment on my hair because I always get scared to experiment such things on my hair, and this was the first time I cutted my hair and I just colored my hair. And if you are new to my channel and you guys don't know, I used to have such a long hair with no cuts and no color, and you can watch this on my other of the videos. And for this video I'll answer few of the questions which everyone have before coloring their hair. So for me, I personally took 6 months of researching and thinking and just analyzing that will coloring my hair damage my hair or not. And yeah, so I'll just answer few of the questions, and we'll just start the video soon. And if you have any more questions other than this, do let me know in the comment section, or you can DM me on Instagram. I'll definitely reply those. Okay, without wasting time, let's go to the video. Okay, so the first question is, will my hair get rough? Really I don't think so. Can you see my hair getting rough? Like seriously, my hair are not at all rough. They are as good as before and nothing is spoiled. Like I literally love this hair. Like nothing, I can't feel any difference until and unless I see on mirror. So yeah, so the question is, will my hair get rough? No, your hair won't get rough at all. Yes, I changed some routine. Like I used to never apply conditioner on my hair and I started applying conditioner on my hair. So I don't think so that will make any difference. But yeah, my hair are as same as before. I can't see any difference. So my hair are not rough now. Okay, next question is, will my hair get dry? No, they are not dry. Like no, the answer is no. Will I get white hair? What? How can you get white hair if you color your hair? Like I seriously can't understand this question. Will my hair get white? No, your hair won't get white. It's a silly question. Yes, I myself asked many of the people, but the answer is no. It's because once you color your hair, the color will fade and you'll get natural hair back. So it's not that you'll get white hair. Next question is, will I get split ends? No, if your hair are not dry, your hair won't get split ends. Yes, obviously you have to take care of your hair even if you color or if you don't color. For split ends, you have to cut your hair from, like trim your hair after every 1 or 2 months, depends on your growth. But if you regularly trim your hair from down, you won't ever get split ends in life. So that's the tip for everyone. Even if you color or don't color your hair, this is the tip. Will I get hair fall? No, not at all. You won't get hair fall because the color are not from the roots, the color are on your hair. So no, you won't get hair fall. I haven't faced any hair fall. So yeah, if you have dandruff or any of the other thing in your hair, you may get hair fall, but that is natural even if you don't color your hair. So it's normal, nothing, no. Okay, next question is, will I start looking black? So yeah, when I was researching, I observed that you start looking fair or you start looking black. But the answer is yes. It totally depends on the shade you select. See, for Indian tone, most of the people do highlights or do shades with almost brown, light brown, golden, all those shades. But if you totally color your hair, that is global color, and if you totally color your hair, then you may tend to look black and you may tend to look fair as well. Like I started looking little fair after I did highlights on my hair. So it totally depends on the color shade. So always select your color as per your skin tone. For Indian tone, there are basic 2-3 tones which everyone does, and that's golden brown, light brown, dark brown, chocolate, caramel, yeah, all those colors. So I have done light brown, I guess. I link that video in the description box in which total I have vlogged, like I cutted my hair and colored my hair, so you can see that. And I think that's all. I have answered all your questions. So if you have any more questions, do let me know in the comment section. Yeah, that was all for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Even if you don't subscribe, please hit like if you have watched this video, because yes, it take efforts and it is something knowledgeable. Yeah, that's it. Bye bye. See you in next video.